Have you ever dreamed of being rich, of having the freedom to pursue your passions, travel the world, or simply live life on your own terms? Well, the truth is, getting rich isn't as complicated or out of reach as you might think. Most people believe that you need to be born into wealth, have a high-paying job, or take massive risks to get rich, but that's simply not true. The real path to building wealth is surprisingly simple, and it's something that anyone can do, regardless of their current financial situation. In this video, we're going to reveal the straightforward, proven strategy for getting rich. No gimmicks, no get-rich-quick schemes, and no outrageous risks. Just a time-tested approach that has helped countless individuals achieve financial freedom and build lasting wealth. So, if you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, dreaming about the day when you can finally escape the rat race, or simply want to secure a comfortable retirement, pay close attention, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to follow, one that has the power to transform your financial future forever. Are you ready to learn the simple path to getting rich? Then let's dive in. Before we reveal the simple path to getting rich, let's first address some of the most common myths and misconceptions surrounding wealth building. These myths often hold people back and prevent them from even trying to achieve financial freedom. Myth number 1, you need to be born into wealth or have a high-paying job. This is simply not true. While having a head start or a high income can certainly help, it's not a requirement for building wealth. Plenty of people have become millionaires and even billionaires starting from humble beginnings and modest incomes. Myth number 2, you need to take big risks or invest in get-rich-quick schemes. Get-rich-quick schemes and high-risk investments are often nothing more than traps that lead to financial ruin. The truth is, building real, sustainable wealth requires patience, discipline, and a long-term mindset, not gambling everything on a hot tip or a dubious investment opportunity. Myth number 3, you need to work incredibly long hours and sacrifice your life. While hard work and dedication are important, you don't have to sacrifice your entire life or work yourself to the bone to get rich. In fact, one of the goals of building wealth is to eventually achieve financial freedom and the ability to live life on your own terms. By debunking these myths, we can clear the way for a more realistic and achievable approach to wealth building. It's time to stop buying into the hype and false promises, and instead focus on a proven, time-tested strategy that anyone can follow. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to never miss an update. Now back to the video. Now that we've debunked the common myths surrounding wealth building, let's reveal the simple path to getting rich. This approach is based on 3 core principles that have been used by countless individuals to achieve financial freedom and build lasting wealth. Principle 1, live below your means and save aggressively. The foundation of building wealth is simple. Spend less than you earn and save the difference. This may sound obvious, but it's a principle that far too many people overlook or fail to follow consistently. By living below your means and making saving a priority, you'll be able to take advantage of the incredible power of compound interest. Even if you can only save a small amount each month, those savings will grow exponentially over time. For example, if you save just $500 per month and earn a 7% annual return, you'll have over $1 million in 30 years. It's the consistency and discipline of saving that matters most. Principle 2, invest in low-cost index funds. Once you've built up some savings, it's important to put that money to work by investing it wisely. One of the best ways to do this is by investing in low-cost index funds that track the overall stock market. Index funds provide instant diversification, low fees, and have historically outperformed most actively managed funds over the long run. By consistently investing your savings in a diversified portfolio of index funds, you'll be able to harness the growth potential of the stock market while minimizing your risk and keeping costs low. Principle 3, be patient and stay the course. The final principle is perhaps the most important, patience and discipline. Building wealth takes time, and there will inevitably be ups and downs along the way. It's crucial to have a long-term mindset and avoid the temptation to chase hot investments or try to time the market. Stick to your investment plan, continue contributing to your savings and investments consistently, and ignore the noise and distractions. Over time, the power of compound interest and a diversified portfolio will work in your favor, and you'll be well on your way to achieving financial freedom. To illustrate the power and effectiveness of this simple approach to getting rich, let's look at some real-life success stories and examples. One inspiring story is that of Vicki and Dominguez, the authors of the classic book Your Money or Your Life. In their 20s, they realized that they were trapped in a cycle of working long hours to pay for a lifestyle they didn't truly value. They decided to adopt a simple, frugal lifestyle and save aggressively, investing their savings in index funds. By their early 30s, they had accumulated enough wealth to retire and live off their investments. They went on to lead fulfilling lives, pursuing their passions and sharing their message of financial independence. Another example is Dave Ramsey, the personal finance guru who famously climbed out of bankruptcy by following the principles we've discussed. By living far below his means, eliminating debt, and consistently investing in mutual funds, he was able to build a net worth of over $200 million. On the flip side, we can look at cautionary tales of people who fell for get-rich-quick schemes or made poor financial decisions, from lottery winners who squandered their winnings to investors who lost everything chasing hot stock tips. These examples serve as reminders of the importance of sticking to a disciplined, long-term approach. Now, let's take a quick break to talk about an exciting opportunity. If you're interested in learning more crypto investing, I highly recommend checking out the Crypto Quantum Leap course. This course is designed to provide you with the knowledge and skills to navigate the world of cryptocurrencies and make informed investment decisions. By enrolling in this course, you'll gain valuable insights from industry experts and learn strategies to maximize your returns in the crypto market. To learn more about Crypto Quantum Leap, click the link in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. By following the simple path outlined here, ordinary people from all walks of life have been able to achieve extraordinary financial success and freedom. It's a proven strategy that has stood the test of time, and one that anyone can implement, regardless of their current financial situation. Throughout this video, we've explored the simple path to getting rich, a straightforward, proven approach that anyone can follow. We've debunked the common myths surrounding wealth building and revealed the 3 core principles that form the foundation of this strategy. To summarize, the key is to live below your means and save aggressively. Invest those savings in low-cost index funds for the long term, and stay patient and disciplined throughout the journey. It's a simple formula, but one that has the power to transform your financial future. Now, it's important to understand that building wealth takes time and consistent effort. There are no shortcuts or get-rich-quick schemes, just a steady, methodical approach that compounds over time. But the rewards are well worth it: financial freedom, the ability to pursue your passions, and the peace of mind that comes with a secure financial future. So, if you're ready to take control of your finances and embark on the path to getting rich, the time to start is now. Begin implementing these principles today, and stay the course. With discipline and patience, you'll be amazed at how quickly your wealth can grow. And remember, subscribe to this channel for more personal finance tips, strategies, and advice to help you along your journey to financial freedom. And stay tuned for our next video, where we'll give you the wealth blueprint to transform your finances.